Today we're going to make a fun kind of dip that we're going to eat later tonight for a snack. But I want to show you, I want to put all the ingredients together this morning so that it can sit and the flavors can meld together as the day goes by. The dip is called Piggy Wutz Dip. Did you ever hear of that one? Well, it's actually called Piggy Wutz because once you start eating it, you're like a piggy and you can't stop eating it. It's actually mainly made with dill pickles and pimentos. So it's a dill pickle and pimento dip. But if you taste it, you'll call it Piggy Wutz Dip too. Okay, let me show you. It's a very simple recipe. I'm going to make it in the mixer. We're going to start with 2 blocks of Philadelphia cream cheese. We're going to have some dill pickle slices and we're going to cut them up into small chunks. We have some sliced pimentos from Goya. I'm going to use some Chipotle Tabasco sauce just to give it a little kick. And I'm going to use a mixture of Mexican shredded cheese. That's a nice mixture. And since we're not going to heat it, I like having the small shreds. Alright, let's start out with putting 2 packs of cream cheese into the mixer bowl. We're going to use the KitchenAid to get this going and nice and creamy and get all the flavors together. So I bought a 2-pack. Okay, we're gonna add the 2 blocks of cream cheese into the mixer bowl. You can soften these first by letting them sit on the counter for a little bit first if you'd like to. The next ingredient, we're going to put in 2 cups of the shredded cheese. Them in. Let's add a tablespoon or 2 of the Chipotle smoked Tabasco. This is one of our favorite Tabasco flavors here in the house. So I'm going to add a total of 2 tablespoons. Chipotle Tabasco. Looks like we need a new jar. Next, I'm going to take classic crunchy dill pickle slices. This time I bought the stacker slices because it'll help us make nice consistent pieces when I cut these up. So I'm just going to cut off the stems. Slice down the middle and chop these. And that was about 5 slices chopped up, and I'm going to take 5 more. Since these are a little soft in the middle, the mixer may, destroy them a little bit. So let's take another 5. Do the same thing. Just little cubes. Or if you can't find the stackers, you can always use big dill pickles and just cut them right up. Alright, then the next ingredient is pimentos. There's the stork. The stork is coming. Okay, now this pimento, it's a sliced pimento, so it's already pretty small pieces, just like we made that pickle. I'm going to take the liquid and pour off a little bit of the liquid first. You can see there's pretty much in there. If we keep all the liquid, it might get too soft. Now let's take a look. This is the size that we have. You think if you get big pieces of pimentos, and sometimes you buy the whole pepper, you might want to cut it a little bit, but I'm pretty satisfied with the size of these pimentos here. Most of them are pretty reasonably small. Let's just check it out, because there are some big pieces in here. We'll just cut them down a little bit. Very soft. You can smell the pepper here. 1 4-ounce jar. You can adjust it. If you'd like to have more pimento, add 2 jars or a larger jar. Alright, that's our mixture. Let's get the beater going here and mix it up. Alright, now I'm just using the regular industrial type beater, and we're going to start it out slowly. The beater takes no time at all to mix up that block of cream cheese. Alright, I'm just gonna scrape down the sides a little bit here to make sure everything gets mixed very well. It's getting a nice pinkish tint to it. Maybe you've had pimento dip or pimento spread before, but I don't know if you've had it with pickles. So that's why this is a fun recipe. One more mix here. Alright. Alright, we're just going to lift it up a little bit to get this to come off the beater easily. Alright. KitchenAid does a good job every time. Alright, I'm going to just take the bowl out and scrape down the sides. Oh, this looks delicious, and it's actually pretty fluffy. Almost like a marshmallow consistency, although we know it's going to taste more savory than that. Now, if you're making this ahead for a party, you could make separate bowls to serve it. But for now, I'm just going to put some in a nice serving bowl, and we're going to taste it. Alright, let's try this with a couple crackers, okay? It looks good. Okay, I'm going to try this Piggy Wutz Dip and see how it tastes. That's really good. If you make this recipe, you'll see why I think you'll eat it as if you were a piggy. Hey, I think there's a piggy in the house. You want to come and try this? Is there a piggy in the house that wants to try this? I think so. Here you go. You like it? Okay, thanks for watching the video today. Try the dip. It's a great snack. I think you'll enjoy the taste. Thanks for watching.